So good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here at Bikers World today. So we are going to modify the headlights of Interceptor 650 as I had told you in my previous video. So we are going to put a double dome engine lights on the Interceptor 650 which is custom made. So come on, let's go and see how it is done. I'll show you the detailed process. So this is the Mad Dog lights which are already on this particular bike. So we are going to replace this with a custom made two angel eye domes of 5" each. So guys, this is the custom headlights which I was talking about. So we are going to put these two lights once we remove the stock, remove the Mad Dog headlamps, and then we are going to place these two lamps for the headlamps. So which they have almost done a lot of things which is all fully custom made to fit the exact size and everything with the sockets. So you can see both the lights are like that, and they've almost made everything to fit exactly to match the kind of the stock wiring and everything. So when we install this, you will know how this is going to look. I'm really excited. So let's see how this is going to happen. So look at him, he's so excited because he's going to change the lights. You can see these are the ones which we have removed from the bike now. So yeah, we are just going to wait and watch how this is going to come out. इसमें जो वायरिंग है पूरा निकाल के उसमें उसके अंदर ऐसे कनेक्ट करेंगे।
ऐसे ही कनेक्ट करें।
So guys, this is the stock dome which we have removed now, and we are going to keep this aside and we are going to fit the other ones. So I'll show you how that is going to be done. So meanwhile, these are the wires. We are going to fit everything just to the stock ones. We are not going to cut any wires or do anything. We are going to plug in the sockets which are just with the ones which are original. So we are not going to cut any wires or do anything else. So guys, this is Arbas here. Arbas is a senior technician here, so he's the one who is working on the lights here. So guys, now we are going to join both the dooms. So I'm going to show you how the joining of these dooms are done. So both these dooms are going to be kept together like this. And yeah, so there's a bolt which is put in there. And it's tightened this way so that both the dooms stay together, and these are very strong. So these are going to be fitted like this in the bike.
What we do here is go back.
So guys, he's going to remove this particular frame so that he can freely do the wiring. So he's going to get it down a bit. So guys, these are the clamps on which we are going to fit these lights. So it's almost ready. So we are going to let's go ahead and fit it now. So one bolt that side and another one this side.
It happens
So we're going to try it on this other side as well. So this is how it's going to be it up. I can just show you now. So guys, now he is measuring the height over here to align the lights exactly at what measurement we are going to place it on both the sides. And once he is measured, now he is tightening it. So you can see the clamps are being exactly fitted at what height we particularly need. So guys, now we are going to get the wirings inside this particular slots given here, and the same goes for the other one here and here. So the wiring will come inside this now, and it will be fitted, all the wiring will go inside this. तो ये सब स्टॉक में ऐसे ही बैठ गया ना?
हाँ, इसको कुछ आल्टर नहीं.
ओके. So guys, you can see he's again plugging it to the pins exactly which are matching that.
Can you move this issue? Indicator बताया. Indicator anyway this length will not change. The indicator.
So guys, he's doing the wiring on this doom now. The other one is completed. So he's connecting all the sockets on this side.
पूरा तो नहीं बैठेगा. थोड़ा थोड़ा ज़रा बैठेगा. कितना बैठेगा उतना बिठा लेंगे.
So guys, we have connected all the wires here to the stock attachments here, and this side as well. So guys, it's been connected now, so you can see both the angels are coming up. So it looks very good comparatively.
इंडिकेटर में भी दे सकते हैं.
Acha. So even the indicators also are going to work on this. So next I'm going to show you after the final assembly. I'm going to show you how this is going to look. So guys, this is the doom. So we have fitted it. It's all done, and look how this one looks. It has amazing looks. So we have completed this. So let me turn on and show you how it looks. This is the angel. Low beam, high beam. So this is how it looks, guys. So you can see the lighting, very bright. It's amazing. So guys, that's the final lights that I've shown you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe, share and comment on my video. Please subscribe to my channel JetTuber. I'll give the links in the description which are useful. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.